Welcome to educational channel of Suresh Bhatt classes. We are going to solve the question on probability, class 11th, chapter 16, exercise 16.3, question number 8. Three coins are tossed once. Find the probability of getting. So we are going to solve the question for each part of the question. So if the coin is tossed for 3 times, we first write the sample space S. So sample space is head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, 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 tail, 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 head, tail, 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 head, tail, tail, tail. So there are 8 elements in the sample space. Now we have to find out the probability of 3 head. Part 1, probability of 3 heads. So there is only one element, head, 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 in the sample space. So our probability for 3 head is probability of part 1, or I write probability of 3 head. This is equal to 1 upon 8, as there are 8 outcome of sample space and only one element is 3 heads, head, head, head. So the probability of 3 head is 1 upon 8. Probability of 2 heads. There are 3 elements in which 2 heads appear, which is head, head, tail, head, tail, head, and tail, head, head. So probability of 2 heads is 3 upon 8. So I write like this. Now at least part 3, which is at least 2 heads. It means that there must be 2 and more heads. So 3 heads and 2 heads. So 3 head is one element and we have got the 3 elements for 2 heads. So there are total 4 elements for at least 2 heads. So probability for at least 2 head is equal to 4 upon 8, which is equal to 1 upon 2. Part 4, at most 2 heads. It means that there must be 0 head, 1 head, or 2 heads. So those are the elements for which there is no head, which is tail, 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 1 head, which is tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail, and 2 heads, which is tail, head, 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 tail, head, 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 tail. Except the 3 heads, we have got all the other 7 elements which satisfy the condition of at least 2 heads. So the probability for at least 2 head is 7 upon 8. So I write, so probability of at least 2 head is 7 upon 8. Part 5, no head. So no head means all tails, which is only one element, tail, tail, tail. So for no head, the probability of no head is 1 upon 8. Part 6, 3 tails. So probability of 3 tail is again 1 upon 8, as there is only one element of 3 tails, which is t, t, t. So I write probability of 3 tails equal to 1 upon 8. Part 7, exactly 2 tails. So there are 3 elements in which there are exactly 2 tails, which are head, tail, 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 head, tail, and tail, tail, head. So these are three elements in the sample space where there are 2 tails. So for the probability for exactly 2 tails is 3 upon 8. Part 8, no tail. It means that all the elements which contain any tail is not covered in it. So the only element where there is no tail is head, head, head. Hence the probability for no tail is 1 upon 8. So I write like this, probability of no tail equal to 1 upon 8, which is head, head, head. This is the only element where there is no tail. Part 9, at most 2 tail. It means that this at most 2 tail covers 0 tail, 1 tail, or 2 tail. So if we subtract from the sample space all heads, then we get the at most two tails. At most two tails means there is zero tail or one tail or two tails. So if we subtract three tails from the sample space, which is one element, so we get the at most two tails. So probability of at most two tails equal to 7 upon 8. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also press bell icon to get the latest notifications.